Hi guys, Bre&Junior here, and today we will be making a video. Bre&Junior here. Bre, you want to make a video?
Yep.
Alright, let's get over here. And today we are going to be making a video on a vacuum. So the other day my wife says the vacuum is not collecting much of the dust. So usually there's two things that make a vacuum break. Bre, you want to explain to them?
So usually right here, the little
You can flip
brushes,
push the vacuum back. Yeah.
So the little brushes right here.
Yep.
Have too much hair so it gets caught.
Yeah, so hold on guys, real quick. If you get too many hairs on there, a lot of people just vacuum, and that things gets filled with hair and dust and all kinds of garbage, which makes the motor run a lot harder. It makes it, struggle a lot more and ends up burning out the motor. Or another problem is if that gets too much hair, another thing that can happen is
the belt.
The belt. The belt will what?
Break.
Yep, the belt will break. It will rip apart because it's struggling. It's kind of like a car belt. So we're gonna open it, huh?
For the wheels.
Actually, we'll show you what it was doing when she was vacuuming. All right, so I connected the vacuum, and now I'm gonna show you what the vacuum was doing when she turned it on.
Yep.
Go ahead. So this is working, but the brush here should be moving. You can shut it off. As you can see, that was not moving, which usually means that it's really full of hair or the belt broke. So what we're gonna do is open up the bottom of the vacuum
and we're gonna see what happens.
Huh?
And we're gonna see what's going on.
Yes. All right, let's get this open. Flip it down. There's a few screws here that we're gonna take off. Bre, you want to get the drill? You can use a screwdriver, but the drill will work a little better. So every vacuum has this little plate that keeps this brush on there. So what you want to do is just flip your vacuum over, look for the screws, and take them off. This has 2, 4, 5, 6, it looks like.
Whoa.
So let's get this off.
I'm pressing here?
Yep.
It's hard to put it in.
Go ahead. Alright, well that one's off already. Go to the next one. Alright, we got all the screws out. Here, hold this. Now we are gonna just pop this off real quick. You pretty much just gotta, there you go. So the belt is not dirty because I already cleaned it, but look at this. This already
broke.
Yep, there you go.
It's the belt.
It's the belt. So usually if it's not too old, you can see the number that's on here. And that's usually your number right there. So what you want to do is you can go to Walmart. Let me see, can you see the numbers? Yeah. You can go to Walmart.
To buy a new one.
Walmart or let me see, Ace or some kind of hardware store. Even Home Depot I think sells the belts. I happen to have one because I fixed the vacuum a while back. Yeah. So let's get that belt over there. Oh. Luckily it was the same belt that I need for this one.
Whoa. Hey guys, this one's new.
Yes. So what we're gonna do is
you can buy a pack with more.
Yes. So what we're gonna do is take this off. You got it on here?
Yep.
All right. So that just pretty much comes off.
It just pops out.
Yes. So in here, there's a little. Can you see it?
Yep.
You can zoom in if you need to.
Hold on.
Or just come in closer. Actually, you can't even see it.
It's really dark.
Yeah. Let me see.
Sorry, guys.
All right, guys. So I got a flashlight. Flash it in here, Bre. Flash the light in there. All right. So that thing right here, that right there, you're gonna want to get the belt inside there first.
You got it moving?
No, not to get it moving. You wanna. Can you put the light in there? All right. So it's around. It's around that little thing that I showed you guys. So what you want to do now is grab the brush. Alright guys, so what you want to do with the brush is
Put it through?
Put it through here. You're going to have to struggle. Oh, it's falling apart.
Guys, I think we have to redo this whole thing now.
No, you're going to have to struggle a little bit to push this back in where it needs to. Alright guys, so what you want to do is make sure that this aligns well in here. See, the belt's moving fine. Actually, I got cut trying to smash this in. So let me put a band-aid on real quick. Alright guys, so that looks like it's on there right. Make sure that before you put everything back on, you want to get all the hair out of here. You don't want to put too much strain on that belt. Usually this is pretty much like anything else, like a light switch or a light fixture, an outlet. Same way you take it off, same way you put it back on. So that seems to be on there good. Now we're going to put this plate back on there, line up the hose. And
remember, just be careful because he already got a cut.
Yeah, so you want to make sure you don't get cut.
Yep.
Alright guys, so what we want to do is get these screws back on.
That's loud.
Alright guys, here we go. The last screw. This is really an easy fix.
Not really, if you get cut.
Well, yeah, it's an easy and painful fix.
Yep.
Alright guys, one thing that I forgot to mention is that when you start working on the vacuum or anything that needs to be plugged in, make sure that you disconnect it first, because you don't want to accidentally turn it on and then have something start moving on you. So I just replugged the vacuum. We're going to hit power in a minute, and then we're going to see that brush right there should be moving. So we should know that it's working. Go ahead, Bre. There you go. And it is working. So now we should be able to vacuum.
Yep. Vacuum.
Alright, so let's test out our vacuum. See how it works. Pick up my Band-Aid papers. Go ahead. Alright. There you have it.
It works.
Vacuum working as good as new.
Yep.
So there you have it, guys. A real quick video on how to fix the vacuum. And thanks for watching.
Subscribe, thumbs up, and click the bell so you know when we post our new videos.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.